welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some fall intense impact fragrances, okay, that turn heads. All right, if you're interested in seeing what are some of my fall head turners, just keep watching. So first up, I have talked about a lot of these different fragrances, a time or two or 20, but they stay true. You know, if I'm talking about it a lot, that must mean I'm serious about it. Okay, so first up, I have to say, this is a head turner, compliment turner, all the turns, okay? This is dark purple, okay? And when I first was introduced to this, some of you all know, it is when AI the Great, she was selling her earrings. I purchased an earring, and in the tissue paper, her packaging, she told me that she sprayed this. And so it was like that stood out to me. And for you to package something, and when it arrived to me, I still smell the impact of it. Yeah, sign me up, okay? And dark purple has been very good to me ever since. I get many compliments. I don't have to like overspray on the overspray, but if I wanted to, I can. But it still is good. And the plum in this, the rose in this, the musk in this is a must in your collection, okay? So if you do not have montale, dark purple, I would highly recommend you get this fragrance and be turning heads, okay, and be getting all the compliments, okay, this fall season. Now, is fall over? Because I feel like, I'm sorry, you know how your sis is. If it's on my mind, it's just gonna come out, okay? I try to be dignified, okay? I try to be a good perfume reviewer and stick and go, right? Like just do, and then go to the next fragrance, and then talk about this, and then go to the next fragrance. No, I have to say it. Okay, here we go. Is fall over? Because I feel like fall came and went, and are we seeing winter right now? I am totally confused, and actually, I'm a little ticked off. I'm gonna say it. I'm a little mad.
I'm, stressed out, my hair falling out, my weight up and down.
I'm mad at the weather. Yep, sure am. Okay, because I felt like fall just gave us a peak of fall. And I feel like, did I hear that Chicago has snow?
Brian, what's it look like out there?
Yeah, it looks like snow, just like I predicted in my forecast from the studio. I'm not sure why I'm out here literally looking around. It looks like snow. You could just take a video of it snowing and show that. Why do I have to be here to describe snowfall? It's pretty self-explanatory.
Seems like the cold has gotten you in an icy mood yourself, Ryan.
Okay, you know what, Shannon? I am in an icy mood, okay? Nice pun, by the way.
Y'all had snow?
I spent $120,000 on a degree and 4 years in college to come out here and look around and describe what I see. I literally learned that in kindergarten. I Spy. It makes zero sense. Also, you know what else I was thinking while we're at it?
I is mad. Okay? Fall, I need fall to stay. The fall breeze, right? Even if you have rainy days, so what? But I need the fall breeze to stay. Fall weather, okay? I just got out my boots. Well, that's a lie, because I feel like I've been wearing boots all season, because I don't know how to dress up in other things for the summer. We'll talk about that later. But fall, I feel like you just got here. What happened? What, you scared? Was winter the bully, and now winter is out? Like, I need you to just come back and stay a little while longer, okay? Jeez. I feel like summer got all the light, and oh, we have summer. Ooh, it's hot. It's still hot. And then fall was like, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, fall's here. And now it's like, the heck? Winter?
When it's like a nice day or sunny, you never send me out to the lake or to the pool for a live shot, but oh, when there's a hurricane or snowing or a blizzard or a flood, send me out there, I'll cover it perfect.
Yeah, I'm upset just a little bit, but Dark Purple, the point, is a great fragrance. Okay, I would highly recommend you get this in your wardrobe. Smell good, smell lastingly good. It makes great impact. And plum, now if you don't like a plum note, you're probably not gonna like this. But if you don't mind a fruity rose type of fragrance, this is what you want. Okay, moving on. Now, I don't have Initio's Paragon. Okay, don't have that, but I have the second best thing, which is from Lataffa, and I have Vintage Radio. This lavender aromatic, okay, type of fragrance is what I just crave for in the fall. And it's a head turner. I've got many compliments. It is so, almost if it had mint in it, right? But it has sage, it has plum, it has bergamot in this, makes it very bright. But it is so good and just amazing. Like, this is a great church scent. It's very unique but dominant and impacting. I feel like men, you can wear this. Women, you absolutely can wear this. I love this fragrance, especially for the fall breeze coming through. I mean, you're shutting them down, and people are gonna be like, oh my goodness, what do you have on? Oh my goodness, what is she wearing? Oh my goodness. And if they're not, they're thinking it. Okay, trust me, they're thinking it. Okay, yo, sis, I'm in their mind. I know they're telling, they just don't want to say it out loud, people. But you're smelling good, okay? So Vintage Radio is amazing. I would highly recommend you check out this beauty if you like a good, fresh, aromatic type of scent for the fall season that actually gives impact, okay? You're wanting to check this out. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And your dollars comparison to Initio's Paragon will thank me later, okay? Moving on. Next, if you're looking for a warm, spicy, white floral type of fragrance, woody, I would highly recommend for a head turner type of fragrance, L'Entre de Rouge from Givenchy. Yes, yes, yeah, absolutely. This is so pretty, okay? And to me, it's sexy. It's very woman impacting, like empowerment type of woman impacting. It is so good. You can wear this in the office. I feel like you can wear this casually if you wanted to, going on errands, shopping, you know, whatever you have to do for the day. This is going to last with you, and it's amazing for this fall season. Now, you have to like patchouli. So if you like patchouli, I feel like you would get along with this. Now, if you don't like patchouli, I would test this out. It's not a dirty patchouli, so I wouldn't say that, right? But I would test it out because patchouli can sometimes, you're like, heck nah. You like, nah. No ma'am, no ma'am, no Pam. But I would highly recommend that you test this out in store. You can even probably test this out in Sephora still. This is beautiful though. L'Entre de Rouge, it is impacting. It is a head turner, okay? It is one of my white floral fragrances that has jasmine in it, that has patchouli in it, that turns head. And I don't know if it's because of that blood orange that's in this that just gives it this like citrus fruity but woody, like not that the blood orange is woody, but I don't know if it's because it has sandalwood in this that woody just impacts or just embeds the blood orange fruit. So like it just is so good, right? And I am so glad they did like blood orange, which to me it just is more of a not just like this tangerine citrus. It gives it more a sweeter, warmer, deeper type of impact to me. Like just I love it. all that to say, I just love it, okay? And I love it for this season. I love it for the fall season. L'Entre de Rouge, highly recommend. A great head turner for this season. All right, sis, moving on. Next up, a vanilla, sexy vanilla scent that you're going to have my milkshake things on my boys to the yarn. And they're like, you're going to have to watch. You're going to have to watch out with this, okay? Be very cautious. Don't wear this if you don't want no trouble, okay? If you don't want nobody talking to you, you don't want them to turn around and give you like, just don't wear this, okay? This is not the head turner for you, okay? But if you don't mind being sexy and getting some head turning men saying, what you doing? What you doing, baby girl? What you... Well, maybe they're not saying that. Anyway. Initio Absolute Aphrodisiac. Yes, yes, and yes. This is the vanilla that just captivates men, I feel like. It does. I know. I've tried it. It is so good. So if you're looking for a head turner that just makes impact, right? And like, you don't even have to, you know what? Honey, I feel like if you wear sweatpants and you just not even, like, you don't even have to wear your sexy jeans, like your sexy things. Your sexy things. You don't even have to be like dressed up in your best and you know, your pleather skirts and your tops and all. You don't even have to be cute. You could be just, well, I mean, be cute. But you could be rugged. You know what I'm saying? Like sweatpants, you ain't try hard. You know, you just, you know, maybe you're just in your leggings and a t-shirt and that's it. And you put this on. Try it. You try it. And see what happens. You still gonna get compliments, okay? Even when you not dressed to the nines, you're still going to get head turners on this. It has never failed me. I mean, so I can only speak from my experience. And if you don't have head turners because you like, sis, I wore my sweatpants and I wore that fragrance and nobody turned their heads. Well, maybe you didn't do enough sprays. I'm just playing. I'm just talking about my experience. So my experience might not be your experience. But if we have similar experience, that's why you on this channel. Absolute Aphrodisiac. This is amazing. From Initio. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, we're not going to stay here long. I've just talked about this cinnamon saffron rose, okay? Fragrance. Honey, it has to be on a head turner? Yeah. Who are you talking to? Cavort? Absolutely. Like, who's not turning heads on Cavort? If they not, they're hating. I said it. Haters. Whew. I said it. Okay? But this white floral rose, oh my goodness, cinnamon saffron type of fragrance is amazing. It is a head turner. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's money. It's strong. It's woman. It's dynamic. It's just impacting, powerful. I mean, you're the boss. This is so good. It's so good. And head turners, yes. You come to do what you need to do. You're about business. You're not playing with them. You're like, I don't even have time. What's going on? I don't have time for this. This needs no introduction, okay? She is amazing. A head turner, yeah. She's more than that. Like, I love Cavort, okay? From fragrancedubois. This is so good. So good. And hopefully you have this on your Christmas list, maybe on your wish list. But when you get it, you're going to see the dynamics that it does. And if you have it, you already know. You already know. I'm not telling you nothing new. This is just a discussion, okay? We just talking. We sitting at the kitchen table talking, okay? Wrapping it up. You know it's a head turner. You know, what's your story? Yeah. It's probably rated R, so just don't put it in the comments, okay? Well, family, that is all. that's all for my head turner picks for the fall season. What are some of your head turner fragrances? Okay, I know you have them. I know you know what they are. I know you're probably even looking at them. You like, that's her right there. She be turning head. She be, I know. We see each other. I see you. Okay. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to hug ya, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.